joining my channel again. Now Valentine's Day is coming up in a few days, so if you're struggling what to get or what to buy, I have come up with a DIY of making some roses. And all of this is made out of crepe paper. So if you have crepe paper or tissue paper just lying around, then these are the perfect little handmade gifts that you could give to your partner. And it gives it a little special touch because it's made from you and you put your effort and time into it. It's a lovely little gift. Let's get into the video. The equipment that we need is obviously some crepe paper. I'm going for different shades. So my roses are going to be dark pink and light pink, but you can choose red or purple or any colour that you want. And the stems are going to be 2 different shades of green. And then you need some straws, a pair of scissors, some PVA glue and some ribbon. So let's get started. Okay, I'm going to first put them to one side and then take one of the straws. So what we need to do is cut some little snips right into the top, 3 snips. And then I'm going to bend each side so that it's open like this. Then I'm going to take a piece of the crepe paper that I'm going to be using. So I'm going to be using the darker shade to start with. And I was going to take a little strip. And I'm going to put this all the way around where we've just cut. Try to make it quite boxy because this needs to be bigger than the rest of the straw. And then now I'm going to stick some PVA glue on the side. And we've got our basis of first step of the rose. Our next step is to get a long piece of the crepe paper that you want to use for your rose, and cut all this all the way up. And then we're going to put this all the way around, but fold at the same time. So then every single time that we go around, we need to stick some more PVA glue around so that it all sticks together. And then what we're going to do is fold it in and pinch right at the end. And then go around again, fold it in, and just do this process all the way around the straw. Keep bearing in mind that you need to keep putting some PVA glue all the way around. The last piece we're just going to put it there at the end and then glue it. And then just pinch at the bottom all the way around just so that it sticks together. And there we have our first rose petals. Now you need to repeat the process for as many of these that you want. We have all our roses, so I did 3 of each colour because I'm just going to make 6 roses. So we just need to make some green leaves underneath the rose and then make the stem green as well. So let's get on to that step. I've got some dark green crepe paper and I'm just going to make the leaves just underneath the petals. So what I'm going to do is just take a strip, I'm going to fold it in half, and I'm just going to cut some zigzags on the end. Just make a zigzag pattern. Doesn't have to be neat. All leaves are not the same. Do that all the way up and open it up. You've got a big long piece. So we're going to cut that in half. And we're going to get one of the roses, stick some glue all the way around so that it sticks on nicely. You can also use Pritt Stick if you haven't got PVA glue. And then we're just going to stick these all the way around. And make sure that you hide all the pink that we did at the bottom. The sun's driving me insane today. There we have the first leaves for our lovely rose. Now repeat the process for the rest of the roses. Now because we cut this in half, you can use the other half for your next rose. So you're going to need 3 strips of this, cut them in half, and then just use it for each rose. Now if you do miss a little bit of pink here like I have, you don't need to worry because we'll sort that out when we do the stem green. Our lovely roses. Next step is just to put some green stem onto the straws. Now I'm going to use my light green paper, but you can just use the same colour as these if you want to. Cut a nice long strip. Make sure it's as long as the straw. Place the stem there. I'll see excess because I did it way too long. Some glue onto the paper and put it all the way around. And then just cut off the end. There we have our stem. Repeat that process for all of the roses. Some leaf shapes and stick them onto the rose. There we have our first completed rose. So pretty. And then just cut out leaves for the rest of the roses. Roses. Perfecto. I've got some green glitter glue. I'm just adding a little bit of sparkle. Okay, I've just got a long piece of crepe paper that matched the roses. And I'm just going to fold it in half. I'm just going to glue inside the edges. Put the roses on top of this. And just put some on top of each other just to create a little bouquet. I'm just going to wrap this over and just make it into a little bow. Make sure that you can see all the roses. Now, my battery did die at the end, so I've added 2 things on that I haven't recorded. So I was making the pink crepe bow. So I added this orange ribbon. All I did was I wrapped it around the pink and then just tied it, and I didn't make a bow or anything, I just made a little knot in the middle. And then the heart was just made out of cardboard, and I took some orange crepe paper and just glued that on top. I think these have come out so pretty, and they're not just for Valentine's Day. This is an idea that you can do all year round, and it's simple and easy to do, and all you need is crepe paper, and that's all you need to create these lovely beautiful flowers. And if you wanted to as well, you can make a little vase for these out of cardboard or something and just paint it and make it really pretty, put some fabric over it, or you could just hand them over just like this. Perfect little gift. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and click subscribe if you're not already. You can also follow me on Facebook and Instagram. You can also click on the notification bell so YouTube will notify you when I upload my video. And voila, there we go. I hope you all have a wonderful Valentine's Day. I hope you spent it with somebody special that you love. If not, go find somebody. And I'll see you very soon. Bye!